Paano kung walang rest day si kasambahay at pinapatrabaho ni employer from Monday to Sunday? Answer: una-una friends, ang bidyong ito ay para sa mga kasambahay at sa mga employer. So may batas kasambahay tayo, please watch and learn, no? Kailangan mindful kayo sa law na ito. Ito na po yung sagot. Republic Act number 10361, Batas Kasambahay or Domestic Workers Act. Article 4 of this law, Section 20, daily rest period. So may daily rest period yung kasambahay, no? The domestic worker shall be entitled to an aggregate daily rest period of 8 hours per day. Ibig sabihin, ma'am or sir, mga employers, after working o after sa trabaho ni kasambahay, ensure po na may 8 hours na rest day si kasambahay. Daily rest period po ito. Dapat may 8 hours siya na tulog o pahinga after niya magtrabaho. Section 21 of Article 4 of this law, weekly rest period. The domestic worker shall be entitled to at least 24 consecutive hours of rest in a week. The employer and the domestic worker shall agree in writing on the schedule the weekly rest day of the domestic worker, provided that the employer shall respect the preference of the domestic worker as to the weekly rest day. So, in a week, meron siyang 1 day po na rest day or 24 hours na rest. So, it could be Saturday or Sunday. So, depende din yan sa request ni domestic worker. Based on his or her religion, kung gusto niya na Monday ang rest day niya, pwede naman po. Basta mag-agree din yung employer. Dapat may agreement between employer and domestic worker. Yan po ang nakalagay sa batas, no? So itong agreement ni employer tsaka ni kasambahay dapat in writing. So meron kayong contract or employment contract. Mas okay po yan, no? Kasi para meron kayong formal agreement with respect to this law. Simply said, friends, ang employer should comply with this law. Dapat ang kasambahay nila, ma'am and sir, ay hindi pwede na walang rest day. Meron talagang rest day po. Number 1, daily rest period or daily rest day na 8 hours. And number 2, weekly rest day. Once a week po yan. And 24 hours po ang rest po ni kasambahay. So, mas okay po kung weekend, Saturday or Sunday. Ayan po. Hope na nasagot natin ang question po. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.